for new folks wanting to dip their toes into maintenance and reliability, what resources would you recommend? Where else do you go outside of the SMRP to learn more and get some new ideas?
Quite honestly, Ryan, it's just Google. That just
I love it.
anytime I have a little issue or something like that we can't quite crack or need some backup information to support something that we're working on. There are so many great publications out there, and within the first couple links, we'll find something that works for us.
Absolutely. I mean, it's so simple, but I feel like, yeah, it's so easy as well to just get trapped into like, hey, I've got to figure it out myself. But there's this thing called Google. Type in any question and something will pop up. And, it might not be perfect, but it helps guide, your thinking.
Yeah, we often find ourselves in the trap of thinking that we're the only people in the world who do what we do or have the struggles or issues that we have. And once you reach out to the bigger community there, you find out that there are lots of people in your same scenario, and you can find a lot of great advice out there. There's some different forums and things like that I've been linked to through that as well that have helped out tremendously.